Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and today, finally, Bitcoin made it. It is above 100,000 US dollar, the first time in the history. So yes, we're going to talk about this, and we're also going to talk about that Donald Trump nominates Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler. So now the nomination is official. Then we have Blackrock's iBit hits $50 billion in record times as Bitcoin surged past 100,000 US dollar. And then we have Mt. moves $2.4 billion in Bitcoin just after Bitcoin surges past 100,000 US dollars. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So that's important. Then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button, and now let's do it. Well, when we're looking at the prices, we can see Bitcoin first time ever above 100,000 US dollar. Yes, at the moment, 102,755 US dollar, 6% up in the last 24 hours. Ethereum almost at 4,000 US dollar, 3,940 US dollar, 5.3% up. Look at the gainers. Then we have, Gensler coin, 24%, Render 14%, Arrow 14%. Many new ones actually here, like this one here. It's at 98th place. And definitely all eyes on Bitcoin now. Losers, Tron, obviously, because it went up quite significantly. IOTA goes down as well, XRP down. So these are the ones which went up well previously. Okay, Bitcoin candlestick chart. Well, if you remember, yesterday I did talk about this triangle which predicts a breakout usually. And we didn't know it will be to the upside, to the downside when we're looking at this triangle. But when we're looking at the trend, it was more likely to the upside. And this is what happened exactly. After we broke, then we just went up, and Bitcoin was already at 104,000 US dollars. So this is so far the present record. So yeah, okay, let's continue and talk about this. So yes, we have Bitcoin above 100,000 US dollar, and guys, this is just crazy. If you just remember, so I'm doing this YouTube channel for 4.5 years, and I was here through the whole, bull market back in 2020, 21, the whole bear market, now in the new bull market, and especially in bearish times, you received, sometimes you receive many bad comments in the way that, oh, what's happening with Bitcoin? This was a joke, and so on and so forth. And we did talk about it, even in the previous bull market, that Bitcoin is going towards 100,000, but back then didn't happen, right? So it went just 69,000. That was the previous top in 2021 in November. And then, we always said that probably it's just a matter of time. It's not it's going to happen or not going to happen. It's a question when. And now, finally, on the 5th of December in this year, 2024, Bitcoin made it. And also, look at this rally, because it's 126% up since January. So this is also a very nice gain. Look at gold. Look at all other assets. None of them have done so well. And this is partly because of the Bitcoin ETFs. We had the halving this year. We have Donald Trump's election, and so on and so forth. And look, there are people just like Peter Schiff back in 2019. Keep dreaming. That's what he wrote. Keep dreaming. Bitcoin is never going to hit 100,000 US dollar. Today, it happened. Keep dreaming. I would say that's a good thing. This is definitely a historical thing to see on this level, and we are in the bull market. So actually, it's very likely that we're now going to continue for a while. And how high? I don't know. I don't even want to make guesses. It's just no point to guessing. The fact that we're going up, and Bitcoin, it's the value of Bitcoin in dollar terms in this case, it's always higher and higher. Bull market after bull market. I think it's a great thing for sure. Okay, And now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is all about that it's official now that Donald Trump is nominating Paul Atkins as the next SEC chair. So if you remember, yesterday I did talk about it, that there were like, gossips about it. But now it is official. So Trump nominates Paul Atkins to replace Gary Gensler as SEC chair. So the president-elect called Atkins to proven leader for common sense regulation due to his prior experience as an SEC commissioner. So this is what he was back in between 2002 and 2008. And he's actually definitely a pro-crypto candidate. There's a reason why Donald Trump nominates him. So now the question is, will he take this job or not? But the nomination is official. Right, okay, next one, Blackrock. Bitcoin spot ETF, so iBit Bitcoin spot ETF hit a new record, $50 billion US, and this is a new record in history because none of the ETFs have reached this level that fast. Well, BlackRock's iBit hit $50 billion US in record time as Bitcoin, reached 100,000 US. So BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin Trust has surpassed 50 billion in asset under management, achieving the milestone in just 228 days, more than 5 times faster than any other ETF in history. So for perspective, the previous record holder, BlackRock's iShares Core MSC, yeah, you can see it anyway, took 1,329 days to reach the same threshold. So this is record breaking, and we clearly see how strong right now Bitcoin is. All eyes on Bitcoin, I would say. Right, finally, let's talk about the Mt. Gox moves Bitcoin, but actually the market looks like it doesn't care. Well, we have Mt. Gox move 2.4 billion in Bitcoin, dollar value in Bitcoin, just after Bitcoin surges past 100,000 US. And, such moves usually are bearish for Bitcoin and could mean billions worth of are heading to those who might sell after being unable to access their Bitcoin for over a decade. But actually, many of the previous Bitcoin holders who had their money at Mt. Gox saying that they're not selling now. And actually, it feels like that, it's a bit overhyped, this Mt. Gox things, and now the market doesn't really care. Many people seeing this bull market, receiving their Bitcoin, saying, okay, I'd rather keep it now if I have kept it in a strange way for such a long time, because now it really pays off. So yeah, the majority is not cashing in whatever they receive, and even if these things happen, when it happened in the bad times, it brings down the price. Now, Bitcoin passed 100,000 after this happened. What happened after this? Went all the way to 104,000 and still above 100,000. So it doesn't really care. And this is how it usually looks like in the bull market. Good news coming, Bitcoin and the altcoin market going up like crazy. And bad news coming, yeah, not too much. Bear market. Vice versa, obviously. So guys, don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.